How long does it take for Ally to verify your account? Script. Hook. Have you ever wondered why Ally takes so long to verify your account? It's a question that's been on the minds of many new users, and today, we're diving deep to find out the answer. Context. Ally Financial is a popular online bank known for its competitive rates and easy-to-use platform. However, one common complaint among new users is the seemingly lengthy verification process. So, let's explore the factors that influence Ally's verification timeline and what you can do to expedite the process. Understanding Ally's verification process. Before we delve into the specifics, it's important to understand the verification process itself. Ally uses a multi-tiered approach to ensure the security of your account. This typically involves identity verification, providing proof of identity, such as a driver's license or passport. Address verification, confirming your residential address through documents like a utility bill or bank statement. Financial information verification, linking your external bank accounts to verify income or assets. Security questions, answering a series of personal questions to confirm your identity. Factors affecting verification time. Several factors can influence how long it takes for Ally to verify your account. Document quality. The quality of the documents you submit plays a crucial role. Ensure that they are clear, legible, and free of any obstructions. If Ally has difficulty reading or interpreting your documents, it may delay the verification process. Document completeness. Make sure to provide all the required information on your documents. Missing or incomplete information can lead to additional verification steps. Document authenticity. Ally takes security seriously, so they may need to verify the authenticity of your documents. This can involve contacting issuing authorities or requesting additional information. System load. Ally's verification system may experience higher than usual traffic during peak times. This can temporarily slow down the verification process. Manual review. In some cases, your account may require manual review by a human representative. This can happen if Ally needs to verify suspicious activity or address complex situations. Tips for expediting verification. While you can't control Ally's verification process entirely, there are steps you can take to expedite it. Submit high-quality documents. Ensure that your documents are clear, legible, and free of any errors. Provide complete information. Double-check your documents to ensure that all required information is included. Be patient. The verification process can take time, even if you've submitted everything correctly. Avoid contacting Ally multiple times to inquire about the status of your account. Contact Ally if necessary. If you've waited for an extended period and still haven't received a verification update, don't hesitate to reach out to Ally's customer support. They can provide you with the latest information and assist you in resolving any issues. Conclusion. While Ally's verification process may seem lengthy at times, it's essential for ensuring the security of your account. By understanding the factors that influence verification time and taking steps to expedite the process, you can minimize frustration and get started with Ally sooner. Remember, patience is key. With a little time and effort, you'll be well on your way to enjoying the benefits of Ally's online banking services. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.